Due to time, I'm not going to give much explanation. I'm just going to run through factoring by grouping using the X method. So we want to multiply A and C and put that number on top. In front of x squared, for A, we have 1. For C, we have negative 30. So 1 times negative 30 is negative 30. Now, we want to take whatever B is, the number in front of x, put that on the bottom, negative 7. Now, what numbers multiply to negative 30 and add to negative 7? Well, negative 30 is the same as 3 times negative 10. Now, 3 plus negative 10 is negative 7. So, it turns out we need a 3 and a negative 10 to multiply up to negative 30 and to add up to negative 7. Now we can split this middle term into two terms. We keep our x squared. We take positive 3x, negative 10x, and we bring down our negative 30. We can now make groups, but when we make groups, we have to be careful because since there's this negative here, we want this to stay negative 30 when there are no parentheses. But in order for that to happen, when we put parentheses around this, we must change that negative 30 to positive 30. Now we can look at what this term and this term have in common. They both have a factor of x, so we're going to take out that factor of x. What's left is x plus 3. Bring down our minus. Now we look at what this term and this term have in common. They both have a factor of 10, so we take out a factor of 10. What's left is x plus 3. Now we can put some brackets around this whole thing. Brackets are the same as parentheses. And ask, what does this big scary term have in common with this big scary looking term? They both have a factor of x plus 3. So we can factor that out. We have x plus 3. And what's left over after we cancel or remove these x plus 3's, we have an x and a minus 10. So what's left over is x minus 10. And we have successfully factored this into two things that must be multiplied